What is in there? What do you think are in those eggs? What is it?
A ball.
What's this?
A pillow.
I don't think it's a pillow. I think you have to open it and see what it is. Don't put that in your mouth, please. Thank you.
There's a ball. Look. The inside. Hey, look. Look. Daddy, look.
Yeah, I see that.
One of the eggs.
It came out of the egg?
Number 4.
Yeah.
It was inside the egg.
The egg.
What is that? Do you know?
A paper.
It's
Yeah.
money
Money.
for
It's
your
like,
doggy.
It's like coins.
Oh my. He's mad.
Is he mad? Let me see.
He's screaming.
Oh,
You didn't open your present.
Open this. Look. Look. Olivia, look. Bubbles.
Bubbles, your favorite.
Look, sweetheart. Can you open it?
Not in there. I don't know what's in
This
there.
is bubbles.
The purple thing's bubbles.
My paper.
More paper, yeah. I think there's something in there. Oh, they're all on paper.
They're all individually wrapped. You have to unwrap these too, okay? Here, tear the paper off. Can you open it?
Look.
What is it?
Petals.
What are they?
She's my shirt.
Yeah, let me see. Oh, that's pretty. Do you love it?
Oh, and it's butterflies. And look at this one. It looks like the flag.
I want to open this one.
Okay.
Look, another clothes.
Another clothes? Do you love it?
Just open them up and look at them.
Look at that. Let me
This
see.
is like a
What
over
operates this?
thing
Oh.
for going swimming.
What operates this?
I don't know. I don't know if anything's fragile, though. So let me
Look at this
handle
pretty
some
dress,
stuff.
Olivia.
Do you love that dress?
I want to open this one. I want to open.
Did you open the other package, or did that? Oh, no. You didn't open this one yet.
I'm gonna get this one yet.
That's not very cool. Probably more bubbles. That's my guess.
Another clothes.
More clothes. Those are cute, huh?
Look, this one has a star. Look.
Ooh. It's breakable. Look what. Look.
I'll put this part, I guess. Yeah.
A bunny.
A bunny. Do you love it?
A bunny. A bunny.
Look at the skirt.
Oh, that's cute.
It's like squirts.
A bunny. Bunny.
Do you love it?
Nope, it is a skirt.
That's cute.
I want to open with
Can you say thank you, Nanny?
this.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.